Hey guys, you ever want that Chinese roast duck, but you want to add some flavors to it? Well, stay tuned. This is going to be a good one. Hey, it's Vlad from Hook and Cook with Vlad Fam, and today we've got a really nice one for you. Welcome back, and here it is, roast duck with some nice gravy. So, first we have to prepare our duck. We're going to stuff it with a lot of Caribbean flavors. So first let's pat our duck and get all the moisture out. Then we're going to mix our seasoning together with all these lovely spices. Then we're going to combine it really well and marinate our duck. Just layers and layers of flavors here. But before we add all this nice seasoning to our duck, we have a nice secret to share with you. And here it is, clove oil. This is going to give it that nutty flavor. Rub it inside and out. Then let's rub generously all the spices on that duck. Just smell it in here, just delicious. Get it all over. You know, if you poke the skin with a fork or something like this, it's going to help the oil and the fat from the duck drain easily out of the meat. I'm going to transfer it to a bigger pan and put it on a rack. And I'm going to put this in the fridge overnight, but you can put it for a few hours, 6 hours at least. Now, after I take it out of the fridge, I'm going to stuff it with all these Caribbean flavors. That's going to give it a nice kick. Just put everything in there. Then we're going to seal this up. And we're going to let this rest for an hour before it goes into the oven. Just stuff everything in there. Now whilst our duck is resting, I'm going to show you this is everything that's going to go into that pan to make our gravy. Prunes and allspice and peppers and onions and potatoes and celery and some habaneros. So first we're going to cook the duck at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. Then we're going to remove it, and then we're going to add all the stuff for the gravy. Then we're going to put it back in the oven for another 30 minutes. Look at that. Let's take it out. We're going to turn it over, press down for 30 more minutes. Then let's go to test the temperature internal for like 150 to 160 degree. I tested at 2 different spots in the duck to make sure it's good. Then I'll remove it, and then I'm going to turn up the heat in the oven on broil for 5 minutes. This is going to crisp up the skin of the duck really nice. Look at that skin. It's nice and crispy. Oh, and don't forget the stuff for the gravy. We're going to blend this all together. That's good and goes aside. Look at the juice coming out of this duck. Let's cut it open and see. This duck should be fully cooked. I don't know if you can see it, but look at the juice running out on the board. I'm going to cut into a piece of the leg and show you how this how this duck is cooked all the way through. Look at that. No blood running out of the meat. Just delicious. Let's go plate this up and eat. Have some greens. I did some wild rice to go with this too. But here is the main course. Succulent duck. Now guys, we're gonna add some gravy. And let's just dig in. This duck is beyond delicious. Very, very tasty. Wish for you guys to try this recipe and leave me a comment, a like, and if this is something you like, please do hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna leave a link with a few other videos